Click accept. It says waiting for Jeff Warren at the bottom.
Yes.
Yeah!
We did it.
You described Jeff Warren as the MacGyver of meditation?
Meditation coach Jeff Warren, joining me live now from Toronto.
My favorite teacher's Jeff Warren. I'm hoping that even though he's Canadian, he can work some magic on America and me along the way.
Welcome, Jeff. Very nice to meet you.
Thank you.
It is my pleasure to welcome Jeff Warren to Studio 4 to tell us more.
All right, I'll tell you more. It is a head trip. Thank you for having me here. Meditation is practicing how you want to be a human being. It's training how you want to be in this world. But when you instead put your hand on your chest and just go, oh yeah, okay, I can see there's a hard time here, and you just breathe out and settle, there is a sense in which you find your feet underneath yourself. You guys want to meditate? Let me try it out.
All right, sweet.
Okay. Well, you can start by just closing the eyes. You can have them open a little bit, sort of staring in front of you. It's sort of up to you. I like to keep mine closed. As you inhale, stretching up the spine, finding a little bit of alertness in the way you sit. As you breathe out, just imagine breathing out any tension and noticing what it's like to sit with openness. And when you're ready, you can just take one more deep breath. One more big, long exhale. It's like breathing out any tension.
Feels like I got a massage.
Feels like you got a massage?
Yeah.
My entree into Buddhism was trying to figure out what they're talking about these deeper end, the deep, so-called deep end of practice. What you're pointing to is what these guys who have been meditating for 2,500 years are trying to point to, which is the process of how the meditation can be healing.
It's like what's happened here. You get a feeling, you get a deeper experience of those basic principles.
There's a tendency as mindfulness gets fashionable, everyone wants to jump on the mindfulness bandwagon. There's a lot of hype around it. But what's the real deal?
There's only one insight, friends, but it's the same insight, and it just keeps going deeper and deeper and deeper. It's like a spiral. The insight is come back to right here, be available, get quiet, listen to life.
It's not going to be all unicorns and roses every day. It may never be that. I've never been a calm, naturally placid sort of what you might imagine a meditation teacher to look like.
And then after that, we're not going to do anything about compassion. We're going to do some jackass, ridiculous shit. That might be what you need, in which case I got you covered. You just got to let yourself feel it. Sometimes when the music helps you feel it. Close your eyes. I want you to feel it. Everybody put your hand on your heart, especially Tom. Everybody put your hand on your heart. Here we go. I can't fight this feeling any longer.
Why don't I try to show you what it actually feels like?
For me, the breathing, focusing on the breathing was really relaxing, and also hearing your voice, but just that calming voice that you use and the breathing was really helpful.
I think there's probably more people here who've never meditated before than not. And I think like the thing that you did for us was showed us that it's not hard and it's not a big deal.
Good to talk to you.
Good to talk to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jeff.
Thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you, everybody. We love you so much. Take care of yourself.
Could be fun. So maybe see you there. Enjoy your dinner, and I'll see you tomorrow at 9:30.
Don't you know that this pride that I have